This explanation will give you an insight, a clear understanding of how FAfCom works, because FAfCom is a very standard business. And once you understand this explanation, you have understood FAfCom. If you look at this picture, you are going to see a kind of a market. This is like a market. These are shops in this market. And then you see people here. These people here are investors. If these people are not here, this marketplace would not have existed. It will not be existing, because these people are actually the people that put money to establish this marketplace. They built the shops, they bought the land, they did everything that is happening in this market. And every day that this market is running, these people, these investors, are getting money back. They are getting returns because they have just established this particular market. Now, this whole process is just how FAfCom works. Because in this place now, these people that as they are staying in shops and doing business, even if you don't have shop, you must be paying every day. So any day you come to this shop and do business, you must pay. And when you pay money, it comes back to these investors. It can be in such a way that once you come, anything you sell, you pay a percentage of what you have sold in this marketplace. That is standard business, because these people are the ones that built this marketplace. So they created a place where you will be making money. And as you are making money for yourself, you are going to be paying some percentage of the money that you make, because you are using their place to make money. You are using the marketplace to make money. That is the exact thing of what happens in FAfCom. Then when you come to these investors, other people can still be investors here. And when you want to be investors here, you see all these books they are holding. You can participate, you can join them. For you to join these investors, you know that you have to take a process. You have to register, you have to do proper registration. And these investors, they have to know you. You cannot just come from nowhere and start disorganized. They have to verify you. They have to validate you. And you now join them. When you join them, what makes you a member is that you are going to have a share of this investment they have already made, because they have made investments here. They've already made investments here. So you are going to buy the share. It is the share that connects all these investors together. Even if you want to leave, you can just sell your shares and you leave. The same thing in this marketplace. If you want to be doing business in this marketplace, you can come here and rent a shop and you start doing your business. If you don't like the market again, you want to leave, you can just rent out your shop. Another person will come and rent your shop. That is FAfCom model. It's a community. No single person controls what is happening. It depends on where you want to participate. Are you selling? You come to the marketplace to start selling. Do you want to be an investor? You join the investors. That is exactly what happens in FAfCom. In FAfCom, we have the shareholder side where you can become a shareholder, buy the shares, and this income, these returns and profits will be coming to you every day, depending on the number of shares that you have. Then, if you want to become a supplier or a distributor, you go to the business side of a FAfCom, where you are doing your business, where you are selling food stuff, buying food stuff, connecting with suppliers and distributors. That is in the marketplace. And as you are doing that, any transactions that you do, there is a certain amount of money that is collected. Just like when you do transfer in your bank account, that money returns to these investors. That's what happens in FAfCom. And for you to join these investors, they must validate you. Any member of these investors will validate you. The process is called account validation, or creating FAfCom account number for you. And once you join, you see how the money will be coming to you. So this investment or ownership is the shares that you buy when you become a member of FAfCom. That's what happens in FAfCom, and that's how you make your money in FAfCom.